Garages are no longer just places to park cars or stack dusty cardboard boxes. Today they serve as home gyms, woodworking shops, mechanic bays, and creative studios. Finding a powerful, reliable climate control solution is essential if you want to make your workspace functional year-round. Here we have best portable AC units for garage.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Whynter ARC-14S Portable AC. This Whynter portable AC stands out as a heavy-duty powerhouse, engineered to tackle demanding, high-heat environments. Delivering a formidable 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, this robust machine is capable of chilling spaces up to 500 square feet, making it exceptionally well-suited for standard two-car garages. What sets this unit apart is its dual-hose operational system. Unlike single-hose alternatives that draw warm air from inside the room and create negative air pressure, the dual-hose design pulls fresh air from outside to cool the internal coils while simultaneously venting heat outdoor. This creates significantly faster and more efficient cooling cycles in uninsulated areas. It also features an auto-drain self-evaporating function that recycles moisture captured during dehumidification, minimizing the hassle of manually emptying water trays during humid summer days. On number 2, we have Equator PAC 162R Portable AC. For larger expanded garage workshops or multi-vehicle spaces requiring extra muscular airflow, the Equator PAC 162R Portable AC steps up with an impressive 16,000 BTU output. Designed to effectively cool and manage ambient temperatures across areas up to 700 square feet, this unit offers incredible coverage for heavy-duty setups. It operates as a complete 4-in-1 climate system, combining high-velocity cooling, efficient heating via a heat pump, dehumidification, and dynamic fan modes. The inclusion of a heating mode makes it a true 4-season climate engine, ensuring your garage stays comfortably usable even through freezing winter days. Utilizing modern inverter technology and a dual-hose configuration, the PAC 162R maintains precise temperatures while keeping energy consumption surprisingly economical for a machine of its size. On number 3, we have Whynter ARC-1230WN Portable AC. Combining smart modern convenience with ultra-efficient cooling performance, the Whynter ARC-1230WN Portable AC represents the next generation of portable air conditioning. Powered by variable speed NEX inverter technology, this 14,000 BTU unit adjusts its compressor speed dynamically to match actual cooling demands, achieving substantial energy savings compared to traditional on-off compressors. Capable of maintaining optimal conditions in spaces up to 600 square feet, it utilizes a hose-in-hose dual-venting architecture that provides seamless airflow in a streamlined aesthetic. A major highlight for garage tinkering is its smart Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to turn on the air conditioning remotely from your phone, so the workspace is perfectly chilled before you even step inside. Additionally, its whisper-quiet operational levels make it ideal if you frequently record audio, take calls, or enjoy music while working in your garage. Selecting the ultimate portable AC unit for your garage involves evaluating your total floor space, ceiling height, and insulation levels. High-capacity dual-hose systems remain the gold standard because they counteract the extreme heat gain common in garage structures. By investing in a high BTU unit equipped with self-evaporating technology and versatile operating modes, you can transform a sweltering garage into a comfortable, productive oasis all year long. So, these are some of the best portable AC to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.